Hello guys, so today we'll be making okpa. So we have our ingredients. There's crayfish, pepper, onion, ozizal seed powderish. We blended it already. Then these are salt to taste. These are warm water in the kettle. This palm oil, and this is the okpa. So, and this is the bowl we're using in the mixture. But one thing you need to know, this we are trying to make Okpa Nsuka, and I have my sister with me. She's the one making it for us. So guys, let's see how she do it, okay? But as you all may know, normal Okpa, we don't normally add crayfish. No, it's just the Okpa, pepper, the uziza and salt and palm oil. So because it's for house use, that's why we added crayfish and onion. So crayfish and onions are optional. Yeah. So let's watch my sister how she makes it. So the first thing she did in the bowl, she added the okpa. Yes, the blended okpa. We have filtered, as in we sieve the okpa. Yes. After that, she added the palm oil, and now you start mixing. Now, this time around, that is where the work is. You have to mix and make sure that there is no lumps in it. So you see, you mix thoroughly. Make sure that there is no lumps. And she added more oil because, according to them, they say okpa consumes a lot of oil. So you see what she's doing. After mixing it with the oil, make sure that there is no lump. So once you've mixed, add enough oil, because one thing about okpa, it's oil a lot. So you have it, make sure that you add enough oil. Enough. You can see our oil don't go down. So now she'll be adding the warm water. Next thing she start doing was adding of is warm water. Then you'll be adding your water gradually while mixing it, so that it will still not form any lumps, Then you'll be adding water gradually. That's how she did it. And I hope you guys enjoying the recipe. So you can tell me where you're watching me from. And thank you for watching Cook with Grace Kiswe. Thank you for always watching us, and thank you for sharing the video. And also let us know if you'll be trying the recipe. We love you so much. So after making sure that the okpa is getting sticky day by day, when she's adding more water, you can see from the video that it's thick. Then you keep adding more water until it comes watering, but let it be very light, because as you can see, she's using her back skin to check if it is the lightness of the okpa, so that it will not be that too much thick, because okpa is something that once you made it thick and once you cooked it and it's done, it will be as strong as. So you make sure that it's very light, so that when you cook it, it will be soft and not too hard. Okay. So after she made have checked and see that the consistency is okay, what she did was to add the crayfish, the blended crayfish and pepper. Then she added her salt. Yeah, it's the fresh pepper, and added her salt. Remember that the crayfish and onions are optional. Yeah, it's because this one is a homemade okpa. That is why we added it. So have that in mind, that the crayfish and onions are optional. Okay, so you can do your own in another form. You can prepare your own without adding the crayfish or the onions, because in the way the Nsuka people prepare their okpa, they don't add crayfish or onions. So after adding everything and check that the taste is okay, the next thing she do is we start tying it in a nylon bag. You can use any bag of your choice, or if you have banana leaf, you can also use that. It's medicinal too. So after doing that, tying the okpa, as you can see, the next thing we do, we now take it to the fire. But we've already boiled the hot water. Yeah, so After boiling the hot water, we take the okpa there, and then she starts shaking it before putting the okpa. Yes. And so guys, what do you think? Hope you love this recipe, and if you'll be trying the recipe, let me know in the comments below, and let me also know by you telling me I love the recipe if you're enjoying this video. Thank you for always watching us, and I love you. Please stay tuned and share our video. See you guys on our next recipe, and see through to the end of the video. I love you and bye.